How to log in Bank Zimmerberg online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to log into your Bank Zimmerberg online banking account. Bank Zimmerberg offers a convenient and secure platform to manage your finances online. And today, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to access your account. So let's jump right into it. Firstly, open your preferred web browser in your device. In the search bar, type login Zimmerberg and hit enter. From the search results, tap on the official Login Banking Zimmerberg link. You will be directed to the e-banking login page. Here, you can enter your user identification number and password. Once you entered your credentials, you can tap on the login button to access your account. On the login page, you'll also find links to bank's official website. You can explore these links for more information about the bank. If you want to learn more about Bank Zimmerberg, simply tap on the link provided for additional details. And there you have it. That's everything you needed to know about logging into Bank Zimmerberg online banking account.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.